We're going to put some tape on it because we don't want the switchy and the light to get anyone hurt. We don't want that. And this light will last a long, long time. Do you know why? Because there's a big battery in it. There's a really big battery.
How long will it last that? Like 3 years?
It should last like, it will probably last till next Christmas if he doesn't use it too much.
Ah.
So in other words, it'll last until
Yeah.
Dad, he'll
Okay.
use it a lot.
So we're going to wrap this all up so you don't get hurt. And then you'll have your special own Skylar made flashlight. And you know what? If you really want to, Mommy might even let you put some stickers on the side.
Decorate it.
Super
That'll make it
special.
Yeah.
That'll make it
Does it
pop.
work?
It works.
That's very cute. Whip it!
No, we're going to dry it up a little
Whip
more.
it! Yes, whip it!
We're not having it yet.
Almost.
When will it?
When it works.
I think that's probably enough tape.
Okay, Skylar. You did an awesome job. And there's your super Skylar flashlight.
Thank you, Uncle Jimmy.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Show me how it works, Skylar.
You gotta have the little ones.
Yeah, it goes.
Cool.
Pretty neat, eh, Skylar? Can I see it? Wow.
Whoa.
That's awesome, bud.
Yeah.
And you got parts left over. It's just like building a bag.
Dad, do you want to see that video?